This is the speed converter calculator, which converts between different speed units and handles rotational to linear velocity conversions. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu called From Unit, where you select your starting unit. The options are meters per second, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, feet per second, and RPM, which stands for revolutions per minute. For this demo, I'm using meters per second. Next, we have the speed value field where you enter your speed value. Below that is the radius for RPM conversion field where you enter radius in meters, which is only needed when converting to or from RPM. For our example, I'll enter 10 in the speed value field and 10 in the radius field. After clicking Calculate Conversions, the calculator displays your original speed converted into all the other available units. You'll see the equivalent speeds in kilometers per hour, miles per hour, feet per second, and RPM. The RPM conversion uses the radius value you provided to calculate rotational speed from linear velocity or vice versa. This is particularly useful when working with rotating equipment like wheels, pulleys, or shafts. Find the link in the description below.